Streamline's new UV technology is the best new innovation to pipe lining or pipe repair in the last 30 years. First, we clean and televise the line and take a measurement to provide a quote. We use a seamless, glass-reinforced liner that's flexible and available in different thicknesses and contours to suit various applications. The liner is impregnated off-site at our factory and can be done up to a month before. Therefore, there is no case of resins spilling on your site, no smells of resins, no danger of carcinogenic chemicals on site. The fit-for-purpose liner is simply wheeled out of our truck and inverted through your sewer or stormwater in minutes. The liner, once in place, is cured with UV light in real time at 1 metre a minute. Once cured, the liner is now stronger than a new pipe. Other companies will offer you solutions that require steam or boiling water being pumped or circulated for hours with noisy equipment and heavy machinery on site. The new Streamline UV technology is significantly cheaper and more time efficient to complete than any other solution. Therefore, it is often half the price of any other method. Feel free to call or inquire on our website for more information on how we can help.